Okay, before you try to install your smart lock, you need to remove the outside cover plate from the outside lever post. You can see it has about 1/8 of an inch overlap here, and it's very tight, and that's by design. If you try to pry it off, you're probably gonna bend the metal, so you don't wanna do that. You could always try to tap it off with a rubber mallet and go gently around, but one of the things that I like to do is if you have a door hole like this, you can simply put this on the top and tap the lever post so it pushes that down through the cover, and at that point you should just be able to pull it off. It's going to make life a lot easier. Once you do mount it, make sure that this notch is on the bottom. It can be used to remove the cover plate if you need to, but it's also will allow any moisture to get out.